Right? This is actually very similar to the first couple problems that we did. Right? What do we need to find first? Least common denominator, right? So we need to write down all the factors that we see. So the least common denominator, in this case, right? Well, this is the whole denominator. That's the factor we need. X minus 2 is another factor. And then there's no other factors. So that is the least common denominator. So we're going to multiply. Let's say that this is 2x times x minus 2 equals 3x times x minus 2 over x minus 2 minus x times x minus 2. Right? Multiply every side, every term, both sides, every term by the same least common denominator, and now cancel. X cancels x. X minus 2 cancels x minus 2. What's left? 2x minus 2, which is 2x minus 4, equals 3x minus, and I'm just going to simplify, this is x squared plus 2x. Looks like we have a quadratic, so we need to get everything on one side, 0 on the other. That will be, I'm going to move the x squared over here, plus 2x minus 4 equals 5x. X squared minus 3x minus 4 equals 0. And then, when you have a quadratic, the first thing you're always going to ask yourself is it factorable? Meaning, are there two numbers whose product is the last number and whose sum is the middle number? In this case, is it factorable? Sure. What two numbers, the product is negative 4 and the sum is negative 3? Negative 4 and positive 1, right? X minus 4 times x plus 1. So that means x equals 4 and negative 1. Okay, now, are we okay to substitute those? If we check them, will it work? Or will it lead to a divide by 0? I don't think there's any issues, right? You put a 4 and a 4, there's no divide by 0. You put a negative 1 and negative 1, there's no divide by 0. So those are the answers. I think one more. Absolute value. Oops.